Hello and welcome to my website. My name is Mark Aylward and I'm the founder of 7 Pillars. I'm not sure how you found me, but I'm very glad that you did. If you're here, there's a very good chance you're struggling with some pretty important decisions, personally and professionally. Most people I help have tried desperately to change their professional circumstances, and it's putting a big strain on them personally too. When your professional life is tough, it can't help but bleed into your personal life. Things like relationships, money, physical health, mental health, it's all kind of tangled up, messed up together. Finding work is difficult even when the economy is good, but when it's bad, finding work can feel almost impossible. Well, I've got some news for you that may just be able to bring some hope back into your heart, create some optimism. The reason I'm so confident I can help you is because it's what I've been doing my whole life. I've got thousands of stories from people who came to me confused and troubled about what to do, and I guided them to a better place. It's pretty cool. Some got better jobs, some got promotions, some resolved problems with their bosses or their colleagues, and some ended up starting new businesses for the first time. Some of them I helped decide between competing opportunities through things like benchmarking and objective assessment. Sometimes all you need is another set of eyes. For the last 30 years, I've worked in the talent management space as a recruiter, a sales rep, a manager, and for the last 25 years as an owner. I've built and sold 2 multi-million-dollar staffing firms during that time, and I've worked with recent grads all the way up to C-suite executives during both recessions and booming economies. Now, I don't suppose I've seen it all, but it feels like I've seen a lot. How my coaching works is very simple. If the challenges I've described earlier sound familiar to you, then all you have to do is enter your information below and click the button above or below the video, and you'll be taken to my personal calendar. Just pick a day and a time that work for you, answer 3 simple questions, and click confirm. And then when the time comes, we'll spend 30 minutes or so on my dime and figure out if it's a good match. And even if you decide it's not for you, I'll give you some specific direction and 2 specific suggestions that you'll be able to take action on immediately to improve your circumstances. If you decide to engage my services after that, then I can promise you a few very important things. Number 1, I won't waste your time because I can't afford to waste mine. Number 2, you'll discover new ways to look at work, new ways to look for work, and strategies and tactics that no one else is teaching you because they're counterintuitive to how people seek and secure work and how companies hire. Things have changed. And number 3, you'll have a professional mentor for life that you can consult with for the rest of your life, or mine, whichever comes first. If you're ready to make a change, all you have to do is click one of the links above or below this video and pick a spot on my calendar that works for you. And whatever you choose to do, I wish you the best of luck and good fortune. Thanks so much. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and don't let anybody bring you down. We can work this out. Peace.